How to create stickers on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to create stickers on iOS 17, open Messages application on your device firstly and then open a conversation. Here you will see the plus symbol. Tap on that and then tap on the stickers option. Now tap on the second icon from the left. Here you will see all the stickers that you have created previously. In order to create a new one, tap on the plus symbol and now you can choose your pictures which has also been categorized in order to make things easier. So for instance, if you want to create a sticker of food item, then you can simply tap on the food option and all the images related to food on your camera roll will be shown here. Tap on the picture you want to make sticker of and then tap on the add sticker option. Once you tap on the add sticker, the background from your image will be removed and the sticker will be saved in the sticker tab. You can simply tap on the sticker and then tap on the send option and the sticker will be sent to other users. You can also hold on the image and then tap on add effect to add various effects on the sticker, or you can also delete the sticker from here. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.